Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you fix Instagram post not showing. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your settings app, and once you're inside settings, scroll down and then tap on general. And once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, what you need to do is tap on Instagram. Now once you're inside Instagram, tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. But you are still having the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store, and on the search bar simply type in Instagram, and once the app loads, all you gotta do is just simply tap on the app and then check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.